action camera Vision 4 from Amazon. This is between $50 and $60 in Amazon in the US, and more like 80 or 90 in Canada. Dragon Touch Vision 4 action camera. I wanted a GoPro and was thinking of buying a Hero 7, but I didn't really want to spend 500 bucks. So I decided to try one of these cheap knockoff versions instead. This one had pretty good reviews. So we're going to unbox it, see what it looks like. It's the first time I've opened it. I did peel these back just to save some time. Okay, so far so good. So there's the unit. Looks pretty good. It's small, of course. Comes already in the waterproof case, which comes apart somehow. It's a protective cover on the lens. Okay, that's that. What else is in here? One more box. Some kind of a little Bluetooth or Wi-Fi clicker. So you can have this, like there's a strap for your wrist. You can start a video or take a picture. That's kind of cool. Clip. External mic. One of the reasons why I chose the Dragon Touch is because it does have an external mic jack. You can see the jack along the side there for the external mic. That's cool. A lot of these cheap $50, $100 cameras don't have that. And they give you a little lapel mic too, so it's kind of cool. That's the main reason why I chose this over. There's a whole bunch of other alternatives that also get good reviews, but very few of them have external mics until you get into the like $100, $120, $150 range. So we'll see. This is a cheap one that has the external mic. We'll see how it works. Battery comes with two batteries. Two batteries. There they are there. Another mount clip for something. There's all kinds of different adapters and ways to mount this thing, which I'll need to figure out. There's another camera mount with some sort of a clip that must clip into something, maybe for a chest strap or head strap or something. There's all kinds of different options here. Handlebar mount. You put your handlebar through there, tighten it up, and then you can mount that on a handlebar or any kind of cylindrical mounting structure. All kinds of things in here. There's another one. I don't know what that's for. This one just has kind of a slot with a hole. I'll have to figure all these out. There's another one. A slot with a different hole, one that pivots, it looks like. Nope. Another one. Just another one with a hole just straight in line. This might be the chest strap, or maybe it's a tripod mount. Looks like it's got the standard tripod thread there. I'll have to go through it and find out. What's this? A spare, looks like a spare waterproof case back, just in case it breaks. Looks a little flimsy, so they give you a spare one. That's nice. This is the strap for the clicker, I believe. So you can make a watch out of it and put it on your wrist. Another mount. Again, it looks like it has a tripod thread in it. Maybe tripod, and you can slide the camera in like that. Maybe. Zip ties, a microfiber cloth to clean the LCD screen, some kind of double-sided tape, and a wire with a loop on each end. I'm not sure what that's for. Maybe that's to tie it to your wrist or something, or to tie it to your helmet so if it falls off it doesn't go flying. Kind of like a safety, toe chain safety strap type thing. Two more things. USB charge cable. Okay. USB charger. That looks like, what's that, micro USB on one end and regular USB on the other. That's cool. And what's in here? A bunch of straps. And a quick reference guide. And some advertising for some more accessories. And that's it. And these are a bunch of straps. It looks like Velcro straps for tying things down, I guess. Tying things together, tying cords or mic cords up, I suppose. That's it. So we'll get it apart and maybe do another video about how it works. But that's the unboxing. Thanks for watching. Dragon Touch Action Camera Vision 4. This is first quarter of 2019 that I'm doing this video. So this is what was available in March of 2019. Thanks for watching. And